Please remain seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, legs and tail inside the tray. Smoking is not allowed at the Wildlife Express, and please watch your kiddos at all times.
Why? What are they going to do? Dance? Juggle? Oh, bandit.
At our next stop, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures. And Conservation Station is the heart of our animal care system. There, you can meet our wildlife specialists, watch them work, and ask them about how they care for our animal friends.
Ooh, that sounds amazing.
Now please, sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. We'll be arriving at Conservation Station shortly.
Look at these leaves.
Pretty cool leaves, Bingo.
Wow, so beautiful. Oh, I know. I spy my little eyes something colored green.
Leaves?
Oh, yeah.
Good one, babe.
Yeah, I'm pretty great.
We're now approaching the homes of some of our animals. The animals that roam the savannah by day return here each night for their care and feeding.
Oh, wow.
Make sure you watch out for drop bears.
Are you joking?
Yeah, I'm joking. But seriously, watch out for snakes.
Also, make sure to check out our wild playtime experience at Conservation Station, where kiddos and their grown-ups can have fun playing lots of games.
Hooray! You're so excited.
How many games should we play? Whoa, okay, that's doable.
All sorts of animals in the animal kingdom enjoy playing when they're young. Chickens, tortoises, octopuses, certain types of fish, and even wasps.
Real life.
Real life.
It's how they get stronger, make friends, and learn new things. We will soon be arriving at our next stop. At Conservation Station, our younger explorers may especially enjoy Jumpin' Junction, where they can encounter Aussie animals like kangaroos and wallabies, and come face to face with other friendly critters. Stay as long as you'd like. When you've completed your visit, please return to this station, where you can board a train for a return trip. We're now approaching Conservation Station.
Train ready!
For your safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and be sure to watch your kiddos as you exit.
Got it?
Thanks, mate, and enjoy your visit to Conservation Station.
Train stopping!
That was fun. Again.
Couple things to keep in mind if you are coming to this Bluey adventure. Only foldable strollers are allowed on the train, so you may have to leave your train your stroller before you get on the train.
That's okay. You got it on you. No worries.
It's all right.
You want any more?
Hello there, my name is Megan and I'll be your guide for today's Wild World adventure. And joining me are my friends Ash and Teddy. We are all about animals here at Conservation Station. We love talking about animals, we love acting like animals, and we love playing like animals. Who else here loves animals? Great. Well, we have some fun animal games to play with you. If you're excited, can I hear you shout out your favorite animal sounds? Go! Okay, I think you can be a little louder than that. Let's hear those animal calls again! Wait, did you all hear that? Who in the wild world makes that noise? Bluey and Bingo! I think so! Maybe they'll play with us? They're here! Hi, girls! Bingo! Hey! Hi! Oh my goodness, this is the best day ever! Well, hi there! Do you want to play some animal games with us? Hooray! Something tells me you two love playing games. Now, for each game, I'll pick a card from this deck that'll tell us what game we're playing next. Sound good? Are you ready for our first game? I said, are you ready for our first game? Alright! Our first game is Magic Asparagus! You know, some animals eat asparagus in the wild, but this is a magic asparagus. You see, if I pointed at someone and call out an animal, chicken, they become that animal. Back to yourself. Good to have you back, Teddy. I wonder if this works on grown-ups and kids, too. Let's play Magic Asparagus! Okay, everybody up. You are all chickens. Happy birthday. Teddy. These are great chickens. And now you are elephants. On three, we'll make our best elephant sound. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh, I like your little booty. Oh, you have big ears, Bingo? Nice, big ears. Okay, next one, kangaroo. Can we all bounce like kangaroos? Bounce. We're bouncing around town. It's like all of Jumping Junction entered the building. I know. These are great bounces. Anybody have a Joey, a little baby kangaroo? And now you are fish. Around like a fish. You could be a starfish. Nice starfish. I like that fish. Swimming around. This is the best day ever, I agree. Swimming. Are you happy, Betty? Bluey and Bingo are swimming over there. And now you're a squirrel. Baby squirrel. Can you twirl it back from side to side? Change direction. Ready, stand up, go. That's a great squirrel. Maybe go snap. I'll snap.
on, you animals. Let's make like a tree and leave. Ah, let's make like a kangaroo and dance.
Let's make like a gazelle and leap.
Nice one, babe.
Well, I guess it's time to go. Everyone say bye to Bluey and Bingo. Stay safe. Thank you so much for coming to play with us. See you soon. See you later.
Well, it's now raining, so I'm just leaving the Bluey area. Is it cute? Yeah, but plan to wait a really long time. This is going to be a very popular attraction. It's still on virtual queue, so it's very limited to how many people are back here, but there's a whole queue of people waiting outside in the rain. Then inside you're waiting multiple shows before it's your turn to be in like this little area where you can interact with the characters. Outside they're selling some Bluey merch, and then the petting area from before with the goats is now wallabies, and I guess eventually you are going to be able to go out there, not right now, but there's like a little cooler with some like water and soda and then a few little snacks, but the main Bluey snacks are going to be at Pizzafari. So then you just come back and go back on the train.
The magic of nature begins with you. Asante.